Right, hello everyone. So I just thought I'd do a video to update. So what we're going to do today is go over gold and explain what I'm looking at the moment since the weekly forecast video, and I'm also going to go over US30 and what I'm looking at, because I do also trade US30. I trade US30 more than I do gold. US30 is every day on the smaller time frames. Gold is on the higher time frames when there is a very good opportunity set up. Links are in the video description if you don't already know. VIP links, free channel, and my personal link if you want to message me any questions. So we go over gold, daily time frame. You got the month opening here, which is also the yearly consolidation. And then start of the month, we come up, take that buy side liquidity, retest that yearly opening, and then you get a sharp decline to the downside. So what we're looking for over the next few days is a continuation to the downside to clear these lows and fill in this imbalance over here and retest this grey area. If we go to the weekly time frame, what we have here is, yes, the all-time high has been taken, and now you're getting a consolidation sideways. So what you could get is a nice little wedge pattern like that, and then that wedge pattern continues to do the upside. Obviously those lines aren't exact, so I wouldn't be relying on doing lines. I would just focus on, we are in a consolidation, we are waiting for a breakout. So what you'll see before the breakout is structure building up in one direction. So what that means is you're likely to see manipulation taking place in the form of FU patterns and retests of certain key levels. And what that will do is show you where the orders are being inputted into the chart. And that will give you an idea on what they're planning to do, what direction they're planning on breaking out at. Looking at the chart at the moment, I would say this is likely to break out towards the upside to continue up. But at the moment, we're likely to come down a bit further. Like I said, retest this grey area. So that could even go along like that. And that could even be a bit steeper if you wanted, like that. So we have room to come down, retest this area, take the sell side liquidity. That would give an opportunity to input more orders for the buy from this manipulation area down here. That's just one scenario. We're taking it day by day, and we will adjust our plan. What's on the 4-hour time frame? So this is the weekly time frame. Let's get rid of the period separators. So you can see we're doing a continuation. We're in a consolidation. This shows a, let's just label up the manipulation areas. So get the grey area out. What do we have? So you can see to the left, to the right. Let's see, that's the start of the downwards move. Runs along there. There's not really much to go on there. Yes, it's a manipulation area, but it's not a clear one, so we don't really identify that as an area. As you can see, that's why you've got all the wicks in this area and the fake outs. So that's why we're currently still in that area now, because it's known for the fake outs. What we're waiting for is a clear directional move. So what we're looking for here is a clear bearish FU to be created today, and that's on the 4-hour time frame. And what we'd be looking to target is yesterday's low. That will be towards the downside. But like I said to my VIP members, there's not really much to go on at the moment apart from expecting a downwards move. There's no real clear setups. As you can see today, we've just had sideways movement. Yesterday was a clear continuation down. We got an upwards movement from down here, and that was a nice bit of profit. But so far today, continuation to the side, taking the Asian session high there. We have a double bottom here, so we have chance to go down from here. That's what I just posted on the VIP group. We got a chance to go down from here. But apart from that, there's not really much else that is very clear on gold. Remember, it's your money that you are risking. A lot of people have worked very hard to get their money, and they want to risk it on something good, not something cheap and just to be in a trade. Now we go on to US30. So what we have here on US30 is the 4-hour time frame. So what we had last week is a clear buy setup from here. Nice bit of profit generated for the new all-time high. Doji candle liquidity there. Nice little clue for a target. And we had this bullish FU on the 4-hour, which was retesting this bullish FU, which also took the sell side liquidity. So the story is from here. The week opened, consolidation. The London session was clearly bullish. New York session came in, gave a clear bullish sign to the upside. This turns it into a clear manipulation area. When price came down, you get manipulation taking place again. Takes the sell side liquidity, retests this area with a clear impulse move to the upside. So what that does is shows that, okay, we are very strong bullish and we are targeting the all-time high. Price goes up, creates another manipulation area, push to the upside, comes down and retests that area here. So what we're doing here at the moment is creating more manipulation. As you can see here, you have a bearish FU currently being invalidated by a bullish candle, which means the manipulation is stronger. Okay, so the more times it does that, the more manipulation and power that is building up. So this is likely to continue up, in my opinion. From the current price action, we are looking for a strong buy to target the new all-time high, but we will also be targeting the weekly opening here, because we have retested this high bullish setup and got a reaction, and we have created more bullish structure on the smaller time frame. So currently US30 is still looking bullish to me at the moment, but what we do in the VIP service on US30 is focus on how to trade the smaller time frame and read the higher time frame. So what we do is we enter on the smaller time frame, then we get to hold our trades open to match in with the higher time frame to give us a nice big swing trade to profit from, which gives you the nice big risk to reward. So you're getting in at prime time. So little indication of this is, here is 1 hour before London opening, give push to the upside, takes the Asian session high. This turns into a premium sell area. London session opens where the arrow is, gives another push up into that area. A perfect opportunity to sell from. There is a few clues down here why we should be selling. So we've got a nice sell from the London opening. So that's the first bit of profit. Price comes down to a key level after taking the Asian session low, and once we get that reaction off to the upside, that gives us a perfect opportunity to start buying. Then we go into lunchtime. That's midday UK time, so that is here. And then we have an hour break, lunch, and then we come back for what I like to call the pre-New York opening, which is 1 PM UK time. And you can see that is that blue line here, and that's pushing back up into that discount area. So what we are seeing at the moment is these pre-London traders are selling from up here. These London session traders are selling from up here. They've come down into a discounted area price, and now they're buying back up into that premium sell area. The pre-New York traders have came into the market, pushed price up. Now they are sitting within a premium sell area. So if they want to all sell, they will be selling from this location. So what that would mean is a clear downwards move if price was bearish. Now if the next traders that wanted to come in are the New York session traders, now you may be getting a bit confused with this, but this is what I teach on the VIP service for US30. Now if the New York session traders want to come in and they also want to buy, they're not going to be buying up this level. They are going to want to retrace price down to here into this discounted area to buy at, because this is where all the London traders were buying at. They have a nice discounted price. These pre-New York session traders and the New York session traders don't. They're buying at a high price. So what they do is send price down, and then they will set up a buy order if they are happy to buy at that level. So what they might do is send price down to the pre-New York session traders, whatever level they started buying at, and they might think, okay, I'm happy to buy at that level, now we can go. Now, if that's for a bullish bias, you're likely to get a retracement, then a continuation up. Now, if everyone wants to sell, what that means is the London session traders already have sales from up here. The pre-New York traders have already pushed price up into that sell area, and they will be selling soon. Then when the New York traders come in, they will be selling from this area too. So if price is still up here, they can enter their sales as soon as they enter the market. And what that means is a clear push to the downside. Now, if you don't know what that means, is you can expect something like a sideways movement and then clear injection to the downside. And we had that sort of thing yesterday. So what we had here, this is where the New York session traders entered. This is where the pre-New York session traders entered. So this area here is your discounted sell area. So in the London session, they were buying from down here. This was a nice trade for us too. Got a nice buy, took the Asian session high. Then the London traders switched to their sell. So they would have been selling all the way from up here. Now when the pre-New York traders entered, they pushed price down back to this manipulation area from the London session, and then they retested it just before the New York traders entered. So they retraced back to their entry price, and then they loaded up their sell orders straight away with the New York traders, and that's why the price suddenly went down with that New York session open. And that's the power of reading the charts can show. It shows you where they are entering and where they are, what they're playing at, just by following certain things and certain price action movements. You can read on what they're doing. So that was yesterday. As you can see here, we got currently buys from down here, if you didn't know already. We're currently in buys from down here. We had buys from sales from up here with the London session. And you can see here we're clearly breaking to the upside. So this is good confirmation. So if we break that to the upside, what we can expect is a retracement of some sort. Then the New York traders will enter, and then we can expect a continuation to the upside. So that's what I'm seeing at this exact time. And that will go in line with this whole scenario that I explained earlier on in the video. So I think I explained enough on US30, and we've gone over gold. As you can see, gold isn't always as exciting as US30 if you know how to read the charts. What we do on US30 is read the charts every day. This on Friday was a brilliant trade we took. We was entering down here with the New York opening, and we had a clear buy to the upside. Our target was to clear the all-time high and continue up. So that is a brilliant trade. Most members got that, and we all traded it together. So yeah, that's US30. That's gold. I'm going to leave it there because most new traders or most new followers won't understand all of that. So message me if you've got any questions. Have a good day. Take care and good luck and goodbye.